Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Sui coin. So if you enjoy these updates, smash that like button. But now let's get right into it. So as we are going into Monday morning, the crypto market is once again looking exactly how we were closing out the month of September. So we did initially see that, pullback. Of course, a little bit of flush was needed, but the market is picking up traction exactly how we has been anticipating over the course of the last few updates, and that has been playing out. If you're looking at Sui, guys, up 11% on the daily time frame. Even though the unlock did happen, as I've stated to you guys before, I think the demand is too high right now, and I think that would overtake the supply factor that is coming into play. So Sui is up 11% once again on the daily time frame going into Monday morning, sitting at $1.90. Also up 7.8% in Bitcoin comparative. But now if you're looking at the market valuation, it's currently sitting at 5.25 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $871 million. Absolutely amazing stuff right now happening with Sui. So anyone that has been holding Sui, I'm sure, has a big smile on their face. But let's get into it. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off with none other than Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has seen a little bit of a minor pullback since earlier this morning. But as we are going into a Monday morning, Bitcoin dominance is falling a little lower, which again, is giving altcoins even more of a push to move towards the upside. With that said, Bitcoin wicked up to $64,000. You guys have heard that correct, and you guys know the importance of that key resistance. You guys know how important that $64,000 level specifically is for myself, because that is the confirmation level that I need for me to turn bullish on the entire market. And you can see we literally retested that key resistance and saw a rejection. And speaking about the rejection, shouldn't be a big surprise factor. But so far, so good. This is the type of move you want to see happening for Bitcoin. And, we had some good news coming out of the UAE, how they are getting, rid of any crypto taxes, which again, I think could be the triggering fact to see Bitcoin bouncing like this. And again, I think it was coming, sooner rather than later, because remember, we're in quarter 4, and quarter 4, historically speaking, is a bullish time for the crypto space. So far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And if Bitcoin is able to get back above $64,000 tomorrow, I think this could be really exciting for the entire crypto markets. Speaking about Sui, though, you could see, look at this move, guys. Look at this beautiful move. We actually made our way up to that all-time high that we set for ourselves back in February, which is a key resistance. And that is at $1.96. And we literally retested that key resistance and have seen a little bit of rejection. Let's switch our time frame to the hourly to really understand what we're looking at. So I want you guys to understand this first and foremost. So look at the recovery that it's seeing. As I've stated in my most recent updates about Sui, when Bitcoin sees a move like this, starts heading towards the levels like 64K, I'm expecting Sui to pick up traction once again. And that's exactly what you have seen within its price. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, let me really show you guys what I mean. From October 3rd, obviously, the entire market took a little bit of a retracement and news revolving around, an unlock that occurred. From that price point itself, you are seeing Sui up a staggering 21%. So that is a 21% gain over the course of the last three days. Like, that is absolutely amazing. And now, as the price of Sui is trying to break out, you can see this on the hourly time frame. You are noticing some resistance coming in its way. Hence, you're seeing a little bit of a hard time breaking out of this key range. And if it's able to break out of this key resistance around $1.91, roughly around that price point, and turns it into support, I think a new high could be in play. And what I mean by new high, not an all-time high. I think we could start heading towards higher than the level that we set for ourselves back in September. And again, that is only a move of about 6.5%. So that speaks for itself. This momentum speaks for itself. And I do expect that, we're coming closer and closer to the all-time high. Might see a little bit of choppy levels around the all-time high, which is at $2.17. But I do believe that, you are about to see a price discovery mode occurring for Sui quite sooner than we expect. So, all-time highs, in order for that to happen, that is a move of about an additional 14%. Like I said, I see a little bit of a resistance at that price point. Might see, sideways momentum, maybe like 2-3 times. But if the volume is, good enough, I do believe up, price discovery mode comes into play. And I'm sure everyone in the SUI community are waiting for that specific moment. But with that said, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. If you have not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.